In this video, we will learn about using and managing tags in CRM 10. Tags are a free-form text way of classifying or identifying records in CRM. They can be added by any user and are searchable. All major data types in CRM can be tagged: contacts, companies, cases, opportunities, and change requests. To add a tag, open a record and click the plus sign in the Tags field. Type your tag name, which can be up to 100 characters long, and press Enter or Return on your keyboard to save it. Once saved, the new tag can be added to other records of the same type. So if you added your tag to a contact, for example, that same tag can be used on other contacts. To remove a tag from a record, click the X next to the tag. The tag will still be available to use on other records even after removing it from the original one it was added to. There is no practical limit to the number of tags that can be added to CRM, and no practical limit on the number of tags that can be added to a given record. To perform tag management functions, open Setup and then Tags. Note that your login must be assigned to the Setup and Maintenance group to access the setup area. Here, tags can be added, edited, or removed. The group can be changed to set the availability of the tag. When assigned to the public group, the tag will be available to all users. The entity on the tag can also be changed so it can be used on a different record type. Tags can only have one entity assigned. And this concludes our Using and Managing Tags video. Feel free to contact us with questions or suggestions.